Hey you, welcome to this video where I will help you out how to download Discord on PC. And this is quite simple, so I will show you this as quick as possible how you can do this. Alright, first open your internet and write down Discord Windows when you are on Windows or Discord Mac when you are on Mac. Now I click on the website and then from here download for Windows. So Windows 10 or higher is just this link. Now he's downloading just right here and now he got downloaded. I click on this setup. And right now the setup will start. You see it here under my screen. The setup started downloading. And right now we are just logged in to our Discord. I already logged in, so my PC recognized me when I download it. This is seriously how easy it is. You just need to go to the site, click on this link, download it, then make an account or log in with your account, and then you are here. This is how it works, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.